Hi guys, welcome back to a Kitchen Advisor channel. As always, we share with you the best recipes for busy families. Today we are making juicy and tender Mississippi pot roast as per special request from Bob's Kitchen Adventures. Select Sauté program and set mode indicator to more. Adjust time to 30 minutes. Pour vegetable oil. Sauté the meat on each side for about 3 minutes. Move the meat as soon as it gets into the inner pot so it won't stick to the bottom. Remove the meat and add the diced onion. Cook it for 3 minutes. Add the minced garlic and cook it for half a minute. Now it's time to add the beef broth. Deglaze the bottom of the inner pot. It's time to add in all the juice from the 16-ounce pepperoncini jar. Add au jus and roast gravy mix. Add in pepperoncinis. Don't forget to remove the stems before adding. Keep a few for garnish at the end. Stir them well. Cancel Sauté program. Add back in all the seared roast. Top with the butter. Close the lid and turn the steam release handle to sealing position. Select pressure cook program and choose high pressure mode, then set time to 1 hour and 10 minutes. When time is up, allow a natural release for 15 minutes, then make a quick release. When the lid comes off, transfer the roast to a serving dish. Press cancel and then select Sauté program. As the sauce is coming to a bubble, add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Dissolve 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in 2 tablespoons of water. Add cornstarch mixture into the gravy portion. It will thicken the gravy. Cook it for a couple of minutes. Cancel Sauté program. Pour the gravy over the roast and, if desired, add a few of the reserved uncooked pepperoncini for garnish. Don't forget to press the like button. If you're new at our channel, please consider subscribing. You won't miss any of the best recipes for busy families. Check our website at kitchenadvisor.com for more instant pot recipes.